Thank you so much for watching. So today I am going to be planting in my little winter sown seeds, and I'm also going to be planting in my ranunculuses. Hang on a second. So my ranunculuses are sprouted, so I want to get those planted in. And then I also brought out some seeds to get started. So I have some carrot, some beets, some radishes, and turnips. So I want to give those a try. So let's go ahead and get started. I already have my little seedlings out here if you watched my last video. Anyway, so I already have my other seedlings out here. I brought them out yesterday and I'm ready to go ahead and get them planted in. So let's do this. So I've got lettuce, spinach, Swiss chard, cabbage, ornamental kale, edible kale, and pansies that I'm going to plant in. I'm actually going to move some over to the other bed too, and then some will go in here. But I want to try to make, between the flowers and the food, I kind of want to make it look a little pretty. So that's what I'm going to be thinking about as I'm planting these. Okay, so I planted a few of the ornamental kale. Let me show you. They are right down there. Where are they? Right there. They're super cute. So I think I'm done with this bed. I've got ranunculus on the outer sides here. The ornamental kale is around that side. And then here, and then I've got the little black Simpson lettuce here. Swiss chard red magic there. Then I have spinach, which I kind of mangled. Hopefully it wakes up. And that's all that I have in that bed right now. I'm hoping to get the rest of this into the next bed. Yeah, let's see what we can do. So I got everything planted in, watered in, seeds are planted. We got a kaleidoscope blend of carrots, some beets, and the radishes. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover these guys back up. They look a little haggard just from being watered, but yeah, all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more updates on this cold frame setting. I'm still nervous about it and having these little babies out here so early, but anyways, bye.